How to fix a promotion cannot be redeemed in Shopee. Hello everyone, if you are facing this kind of problem where the promotion is not being redeemed in Shopee, then follow these steps. If you are using the Shopee app, then open App Store or Google Play Store on your device. After that, search for Shopee and look for updates. If you are using the Shopee website, then make sure to check for updates for your web browser. The Shopee app is not available on my device, but if it's available, then check for updates. Now, there might be various reasons because of which you might be facing this kind of issue. Firstly, verify your voucher. Make sure that the voucher is valid and not expired. Also, check for vouchers, terms and conditions. If a payment method is needed, then make sure to use a supported payment method. Certain promotions may require the use of specific shipping services. Along with that, you can try clearing your app cache. Also, avoid using multiple accounts on the same device. If none of these options work, then contact customer support of Shopee. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.